Did you know that Trump media just bought more than 450 Bitcoin, totaling over $1 billion worth of crypto? And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you why this is huge for XRP Ripple, because 2026 is expected to be huge. We've got some major White House announcements coming out in early 2026, and with huge backing from Donald Trump, we're expecting the price of XRP Ripple to absolutely skyrocket. Don't forget to smash the like and subscribe. You can see that blockchain trackers from Arkham Intelligence have now confirmed more than 450 Bitcoin, totaling $40 million, actually was purchased by Trump's media. And we can see they have a total of 1 billion Bitcoin on their balance sheet. They're holding over 11,500 Bitcoin. And I'm telling you that this is going to be massive for XRP, because we have the Clarity Act coming out in early 2026. This has actually been confirmed by Trump's crypto czar, and it's expected to pass in early January of 2026, which is also going to massively affect Ripple. Now, I also want to point you to this recent speech from Trump, where he actually states that the current financial system is outdated and will soon to be replaced with the state-of-the-art framework, actually having the backbone behind XRP. So let's go ahead and listen to this post.
Many Americans are unaware that behind the scenes, the technical backbone of the financial system is decades out of date, many, many years out of date. You know that. Paul and others are straightening it out, but payments and money transfers are costly and take days or even weeks to clear. Under this bill, the entire ancient system will be eligible for a 21st century upgrade using the state-of-the-art crypto technology. Who would have thought we would have been saying that?
So with that coupled together, we've got Trump media purchasing more crypto. We've got the Clarity Act coming out in early 2026. We're now seeing the complete overhaul of the financial system. And we can see here the introduction to the House, the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act of 2025 establishes regulatory framework for digital commodities. Commodity futures trading must generally regulate digital commodities transaction. Exchanges, brokers, and dealers. To qualify to trade on an exchange, commodities blockchain must be mature or on a blockchain system that has achieved decentralized control as defined by the bill. And this is really where XRP Ripple comes into play, with its decentralized blockchain nature, and especially with the addition of XRPL, the overall ecosystem has achieved and will be defined by the bill. The issuer of the digital commodity file must file reports, mature blockchains, certain mature frameworks, and especially with the SEC now passing and getting off XRP's back, it actually makes a lot of sense that this will be implemented into the future financial system. And in other major XRP news, we've seen Bitwise just open the door to index funds. So Bitwise is now offering basically a Hashdex NASDAQ index. And what that offers is, if you purchase, say, one share of this index, you're actually purchasing 74% Bitcoin, 15% Ethereum, 6.5% XRP, some Solana, Cardano, Chainlink, and Stellar. So we're now seeing XRP also packaged within these index funds and being offered to institutional and eventually retail clients. So as they're purchasing the overall index fund of crypto, the actual demand of XRP is rising, because what we'll have to see is these institutional players, if retail is then beginning to purchase this index fund, they'll have to go into the open market to purchase Bitcoin, to purchase Ethereum, and most importantly, to come out and purchase XRP. So that could be extremely bullish for the overall price of XRP. And we can actually finish here with a quick technical analysis for XRP, because I'm actually been screaming that we've been coming into a major support zone for XRP. And if we are going to see all-time highs, right now is one of the best price points to be looking at XRP, because we have been stuck in a form of a trading range. And when we trade trading range, we're always looking to actually purchase in this bottom 25% of the range. And where is the price of XRP now coming into? We're finally coming into this bottom range. You can also chuck in the XRP RSI. So let's add the relative strength index to actually see where the weekly RSI is. We're actually coming into the overall bottoming range of the lows. We haven't actually dipped into this oversold region yet, but with this current price action, it's actually quite bullish for XRP. So what I'm waiting for, especially we can actually move over to the monthly chart, only ever trading in the direction of the long-term trend. And right now we're actually just retesting some overall long-term average prices for XRP, especially since we're up 7, 8, 900% in a super short amount of time. It makes sense that we're making some sideways trading range price action, because the highest probability play for the next move for XRP is then a continuation of this upside trend. We've also got major fundamental news with Trump getting heavier into crypto. They've got over $1 billion in Bitcoin on their balance sheet. We're seeing the Clarity Act coming into early 2026. Overall, the demand for XRP is heating up, and a lot of these long-term indicators for XRP are extremely bullish. We are just retesting old all-time highs of 2021. And if you understand my support to resistance flip strategy, you would know that the current price for XRP and the price that we are retesting, the highest probability play is a bullish continuation to the upside. So I'm still extremely bullish in XRP. There's still so much more news to come out in 2026. Don't forget to check out WEEX in this video description. They're actually offering you up to a $30,000 trading bonus and $100 straight up for free if you link your mobile and email. This is the crypto exchange I'm using to trade XRP and other altcoins. Don't forget to check the link in the video description to get that free sign up bonus. And the current price action, even with just a small decline, it's not actually showing long-term bearish signals. We're just having a small to medium term price reaction at a long-term trend price, looking for that continuation to the upside. If you have enjoyed today's video, don't forget to smash the like and subscribe to stay tuned for future videos, and I'll see you in the next one.